Are we alone in the universe? That's the question that's kept many of us up at night. Are there other intelligent beings out there watching us? Perhaps studying us, waiting for their chance to make contact? Well, if they are out there, they might be trying to tell us something. Space is not silent. It whispers, it screams, and sometimes it sends signals we cannot explain. These are the top 5 scary space signals we have never deciphered. Number 1, the WOW signal. The year 1977. The place, Ohio State University. A radio telescope was searching the cosmos when suddenly it picked up a weird transmission. It only lasted 72 seconds. Then it vanished. The signal was strange because it matched the pattern scientists expected an alien civilization to send. But it was just 30 years after we launched Sputnik into space. Back then, rockets were more science fiction than reality. So who could have sent it? And why? Scientists checked for errors. None were found. They triple-checked the telescope. It was working fine. So they were left with only one conclusion. They had no idea what they were looking at. It was such a mystery that the astronomer in charge marked it with a simple "wow" on the observation chart. To this day, no one knows what sent the mysterious transmission. Did aliens really try to contact us, or was it something else? No. 2. Fast radio bursts. Explosions of energy that last only milliseconds. That's the definition of fast radio bursts. They come from billions of light years away. They appear, vanish, then appear again. Astronomers can find them all over the universe. They also seem to repeat. For example, one fast radio burst was recorded every 16 days. Another one was seen twice in a single day. What causes them? We don't know. But scientists believe that there are 2 possible explanations. One is a one-time event like a supernova explosion. The other is something repeating. In that case, it would have to be artificial. Maybe some alien species is behind it all. Fast radio bursts are so powerful that they can affect entire galaxies. They might be the key to understanding the most distant parts of the universe. But until we learn what they are, we can't be sure if they're friend or foe. Number 3, the Lorimer burst. This was the first fast radio burst ever recorded. It happened in 2001. A strange signal was picked up by the Parkes radio telescope in Australia. At first, scientists thought it was a glitch, a tiny bug in the system, nothing more. But as they investigated further, they realized it was real. The Lorimer burst was almost 20 times more powerful than a typical fast radio burst. It was so intense that it could have affected our planet if it had hit Earth. Even though we were not in its path, it still managed to travel across the vastness of space. Scientists tried tracking it down. They wanted to see if it had a repeating pattern. It never did, and after more than a decade, it still hasn't reappeared. Number 4. Signals from Proxima Centauri. When astronomers discovered a strange signal coming from the nearest star to Earth, they got pretty excited. It came from Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf about 4 light-years away. Normally, it's hard to detect anything from that far away. But this time, astronomers picked up an unusual transmission. It came from the star's orbit, and that's not surprising. What was surprising was that it happened at regular intervals, like someone was sending Morse code. Scientists checked and double-checked their equipment. They even analyzed the star's radiation. There was no mistake. The signal was real. But what was it? A new planet? Maybe. An advanced civilization? Possibly. Could someone be living on the star's orbit and sending out messages? Is someone watching us? Number 5. Galactic hum. Imagine listening to your favorite song. You turn the volume down, but you can still hear the music. It's faint, but it's still there. Now imagine that the song is never ending. That's what it's like to listen to the galactic hum. It's a low, eerie background noise. It's everywhere. It's the faint sound of our universe. It was discovered by accident in 2000. A group of astronomers were studying quasars. They're extremely bright objects found in the center of galaxies. As they looked deeper into space, They realized that there was a strange sound. It seemed to be coming from all around them. They even studied the cosmic microwave background radiation. That's the oldest light in the universe. It was the same everywhere. They turned off all their equipment. Still, they heard it. They traveled to different observatories. It didn't matter where they went. They could hear the hum everywhere. To this day, no one knows what makes the sound. It's as if the cosmos itself is alive and breathing. What do you think? Are these signals natural space phenomena? Or is there something or someone trying to tell us a message? Comment below and let us know. Also, be sure to subscribe and get ready for more chilling tales from the cosmos. Until next time, look up in the sky and wonder, because the universe never ceases to amaze.